Hello, this is HardReset.Info speaking for you, and in this video I'll show you how to clean storage of your Xbox Series S. The fastest way to do it is to go to Settings, enter System, Storage Devices, and in here you can clear local saved games and clear local Xbox 360 storage. Also you can go to Internal Storage, uninstall content, select games or apps you want to uninstall, and select remove. Uninstall, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.